In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Either way, hold one of your photos to get rid of. And when you're ready, use this icon at the top left corner. Tap on all of your photos you wish to keep, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to find all of your deleted photos in Recycle bin, click on Menu at the bottom right corner and click on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!